Steno Wale Babu welcomes you. Shorthand dictations in male and female voice from all sources like magazines, speeches, and editorials at various speeds up to 120 WPM for various departments like SSC, DSSB, CRPF, Delhi Police, etc. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.
Exercise number 11. I need hardly tell you how happy I feel in being in your midst this evening. I have been looking forward to this visit for more than a year. I was to have visited this beautiful part of the country sometime last year, partly on account of ill health at that time and partly on account of several preoccupations during the later period. I was not able to fulfill this wish until today. My pleasure is all the greater because I had to meet some difficulties even on this occasion. Fortunately, they were all overcome, and today I find myself in your midst. My desire to come here was due very largely to the fact that I was anxious to meet you and to know your condition at first hand. This area, like some other areas in this province, was sealed to us and we were not permitted to come here. I know that even in 1947, when the Constituent Assembly was meeting in Delhi and I had appointed a committee with the late Chief Minister of this state as its chairman, the committee was not allowed to enter some parts of this province. Therefore, I made up my mind then that as soon as it was possible, I should pay a visit to these parts and see some of the places which were previously banned. I am therefore happy that I have at least been able to fulfill that wish. Although the Constituent Assembly could not send its subcommittee to these parts, it was not negligent of your interests. The constitution makers took special care to make suitable provisions for the governance of this area. Our anxiety was to see that you make progress as quickly as possible. I am not one of those who look upon the tribal people as backward. I know you have your own customs, your own culture, your own way of life. We are anxious that you should progress and do so in your own special way. India is a vast country. We have any number of religion, any number of systems of life and any number of customs. It is this picture of India that we have in view, just as in a beautiful structure you have got any number of stones and bricks collected and pieced together. Here in India, we have got so many kinds of people all living together. Thank you.